Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting video on our channel. Today, we're going on an enthralling journey, a deep dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We're going to unveil the secrets behind ChatGPT, the AI that's making waves in the tech industry. This isn't your average tech talk. We're not just exploring the surface, we're going beneath it, peeling back the layers to reveal the intricate workings of this AI marvel. We'll delve into its genesis, its evolution, and its revolutionary impact on the world of communication. We're not just talking tech, we're talking magic. Because what ChatGPT does is nothing short of magical. It's a transformative technology that's redefining the boundaries of what AI can do. So buckle up, because this is going to be an enlightening journey, a journey where technology meets language, where artificial intelligence meets human conversation. We're about to witness the magic of ChatGPT, the AI that's changing the way we communicate. Are you ready to uncover the secrets? Excellent. Let's get started, shall we? Are you fascinated by the world of artificial intelligence? If so, let me introduce you to a brilliant creation from the epicenter of technological innovation, OpenAI. Its name is ChatGPT, the generative pre-trained Transformer 3, a marvel that stands at the cutting edge of modern technology. It's an AI model that doesn't just exist, it amazes, inspires, and engages. This ingenious masterpiece learns from extensive datasets, artfully simulating human conversation within a virtual sphere. It is far more than just a typical AI. It is an imaginative conversationalist with a flair for creativity and relevance. What sets it apart is its remarkable ability to generate human-like text responses based on the input it receives. This is not a simple task. It involves a symphony of complex algorithms, unfolding in harmony with deep learning technologies. It doesn't just spew out predefined responses. Instead, it crafts novel, pertinent responses that are contextually aligned with the conversation. It's a magical process of decoding and encoding, a seamless ballet of technology and language. It represents the fine line, the bridge between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is not just a glimpse into the future of communication, it's the future that's already here, revolutionizing the way we interact. But hold your breath, because the best part is yet to come. How does this incredible masterpiece manage to pull off such an impressive feat? Stay with us to unravel the mystery behind its workings. And before we go on, make you subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more content like this. Because the world of artificial intelligence has a lot more fascinating stuff in store. Diving deeper into the heart of this matter, we must first comprehend what transformers truly are. At their core, transformers are groundbreaking models, specifically built for the dynamic domain of natural language processing. With their unique architecture that departs from traditional designs, they stand as a monumental shift in the realm of artificial intelligence. These models have the capability to process textual data concurrently, rather than adopting the conventional sequential approach. Unlike the norm, transformers don't merely perceive a sentence as a simple succession of words. Instead, they comprehend it as a single, coherent unit. This approach is driven by their unique self-attention mechanism, which allows them to weigh the importance of each word in relation to all others in a sentence. This essentially means that every word is processed in the context of the entire sentence, and not just in its immediate vicinity. This radical feature enables transformers to dive deeper into the contextual undercurrents of sentences, thus producing more refined and accurate language output. This is a significant stride towards machine language comprehension. With this key ability, transformers can effectively grasp the nuanced context of a sentence, leading to a more robust and subtly accurate language generation. Let's delve deeper into the crucial development stages of AI models, specifically focusing on the pre-trained aspect of ChatGPT. Pre-training is an indispensable phase in AI model development. For ChatGPT, this phase involves learning from an expansive dataset compiled from large portions of the internet. It's akin to a child learning a language, where the model absorbs information and starts to understand human language in a more expansive sense. During this stage, the model learns to predict the upcoming word in a sentence based on the context and the preceding words. It's an intricate process, mirroring how humans predict the flow of a conversation or a written sentence. However, while pre-training provides a comprehensive understanding of language, it doesn't equip the model with the skills needed for specialized tasks. That's when the second stage, referred to as fine-tuning, comes into play. Fine-tuning is like honing a well-rounded student into a subject matter expert, as it involves training the model on a more focused dataset, usually under the watchful eyes of human supervisors. This stage refines the model's skills further, tailoring it to accomplish specific tasks, from composing thoughtful essays to crafting evocative poetry and engaging in insightful dialogues. The fine-tuning phase doesn't just refine the model, it polishes it into a more refined machine, capable of handling a wide array of specific tasks, from penning essays, creating poetry, to engaging in a meaningful conversation. ChatGPT operates on a fundamental concept known as prediction. Its main job is to predict the next word in a series of words. Think of it as a thought chain, each link representing a word. The goal of ChatGPT is to accurately predict what that next link could be. The process begins when a user types a sentence into ChatGPT. For this AI, the sentence is not just a bunch of letters, but a series of probabilities. Every word serves as a hint, a part of a larger picture, guiding it to the subsequent word. The true beauty of ChatGPT lies in its capacity to deduce the next logical word based on the context supplied by the preceding words. The process that allows ChatGPT to perform this function consists of two major steps: pre-training and fine-tuning. During the pre-training stage, ChatGPT digests a multitude of text data from the internet, learning diverse language patterns, grammatical rules, world facts, and even certain biases. This substantial knowledge base becomes the backbone of its word predictions. The second part of the journey, the fine-tuning phase, involves refining what has been learned. Here, human reviewers guide ChatGPT, reviewing and rating potential responses to a variety of example inputs. This not only ensures the model's consistency and coherence, but also increases its usefulness to the user. Once these phases are complete, the word generation process kicks off. ChatGPT uses its acquired knowledge to predict the next word after the initial word. This is a continuous loop, with one sentence seamlessly leading to the next. The process keeps repeating, building on the previously predicted word until it's commanded to stop. This, in essence, is how ChatGPT works. While ChatGPT is unquestionably advanced, it's far from flawless. This shouldn't really be a revelation, considering it's a machine learning model, and such models are only as outstanding as the data they've been trained on. The true distinction lies in ChatGPT's remarkable capacity to create text that mirrors human-like characteristics, all thanks to the extensive data it's been programmed with. It utilizes statistical patterns to fabricate text that's so akin to human communication. It becomes tough to differentiate. Yet, with all its complexity, ChatGPT has its own set of constraints. The language it generates is not truly grasped, but it lacks the human ability to understand context or subtle differences. It doesn't possess the capability to form opinions or nurture desires, operates sans any emotional comprehension or human-like cognition. However, these shortcomings don't diminish its wonder. ChatGPT continues to be a potent instrument for generating text, and the tech behind it is packed with immense potential. It's merely a tool, albeit a very intricate one, that leverages statistical patterns to generate text. In essence, ChatGPT is a groundbreaking AI model from OpenAI, which is capable of creating text that closely resembles human-generated content. The model, built upon the transformer architecture, is a product of a two-stage process. The first stage, pre-training, involves teaching the model to anticipate the next word in a sentence, taking into account provided context. This is made possible by training it on a massive pool of internet data. Next, in the fine-tuning stage, the model undergoes further refinement to enhance its output, making it more pertinent and logical. However, despite these advancements, it's essential to understand that ChatGPT does not fully grasp language or context like humans do. Hence, it can occasionally produce odd or illogical responses. It has its limitations. ChatGPT is nonetheless an impressive manifestation of the strides made in AI technology.